In the Netherlands, there's a company called ASML that's doing really important work. ASML makes machines that make chips for our phones, computers, and other gadgets. This might not sound like a big deal, but it's actually making the Netherlands a lot more powerful around the world. Firstly, ASML doesn't just sell its machines in the Netherlands. It sends them to lots of different countries all over the world. This means that the Netherlands is becoming really important in the global technology world. Secondly, ASML's success is also good for the Netherlands as a whole. When a company in a country does well, it helps the whole country do better economically. This means more money for things like schools, hospitals, and roads, making the country stronger. ASML also works with other big tech companies from different countries. By working together, they can make sure that Dutch technology reaches every part of the world. This makes the Netherlands even more influential globally. Another amazing thing about ASML is that it cares about the environment. It uses clever ways to do its work without harming the planet. This not only helps make the world a better place, but also shows that the Netherlands is smart and responsible. In summary, ASML is playing a big role in making the Netherlands a global superpower. Their machines, partnerships with other countries, economic success, and commitment to the environment are all helping the Netherlands become a major player in the world. With companies like ASML leading the way, the future looks bright for the Netherlands. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.